First things first, I'm going in with some foundation and I'm really buffing that into my skin, down my neck and behind my ears. After that, I'm going in with some concealer. I did lose some of my blending footage, but I did include some of it. After that, I will be adding some bronzer. I'll be showing you my placement and then buffing it in with my foundation brush. Following that, I'll be adding some contour right in the hollows of my cheeks, and I will be using the exact same foundation brush to blend that as well. Once everything is blended, I will be going in with a fluffy brush to set my entire face. Using a more angled brush, I will be going in with some powder bronzer and stippling that onto my cheekbones, forehead and around my jawline. If you are interested in an in-depth nose contour tutorial as well as the eye makeup for this look, head on over to the description box. After blush, I'll go in with some highlight on the cheeks and underneath the brow bone.